Ever feel like your digital life is just a complete mess? What if you could build your own personal system to streamline all of it without having to learn a single line of code? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. How you can build your very own productivity OS. Okay, let's be real for a second. This question, does it hit a little too close to home? I'm talking about that feeling of being completely buried under a mountain of tiny, mind-numbing digital chores that just suck the life out of your day. We've all been there. And this is what that daily grind actually looks like, right? The constant copy-pasting from one app to another, manually punching numbers into a spreadsheet, trying to keep, 5 different inboxes straight, or sending that same follow-up email for the 10th time today. It's a constant battle just to keep everything in sync, and believe me, it is not just you. This is a massive, invisible black hole for your time. But what if there was a totally different way to handle all this? Let's talk about the big idea that really changes the game. It's time to introduce you to your very own productivity operating system. So, what is a productivity OS? Look, this isn't just another app you have to download and learn. No way. It's a system that you design to automate your daily tasks and connect all of your digital tools together. And the best part, the absolute best part, is that you can do it all without writing a single line of code. You are the architect here. I absolutely love this way of thinking about it. It's the central nervous system for your digital life. It's a perfect metaphor, right? Your brain, that's you, has an idea, and your nervous system just makes it happen. It sends all the right signals without you having to consciously think about every single little step. Well, your Productivity OS does exactly that for your digital world, connecting all the pieces so they just work together, smoothly, in the background. Okay, that all sounds great, but how do you actually build this thing? Well, you don't need to go learn a bunch of programming languages. No, you just need the right toolkit. So let's check out the apps that are going to power your new personal OS. All right, here are the heavy hitters, the core of your toolkit. First, you've got Notion. Think of this as your central brain, the command center where all your information lives and connects. Then there's Zapier, which is basically a universal bridge between your apps. It's the thing that says, hey, when this new email comes in, automatically do this other thing in my spreadsheet. And then you've got Make, which is more of a visual connector, letting you build out these really cool, complex automations that you can actually see and map out. Each one has a unique superpower. So, knowing the tools is one thing, but turning that knowledge into actual results, that's where the real magic happens. This is all about going from tedious, manual clicks to creating automated victories that give you back your time and your focus. And the process is so simple. It really boils down to 3 steps. First, click. Something just clicks in your head. You finally identify a task that you do over and over and over again. Then, you connect the apps involved using a tool like Zapier or Make. And finally, you conquer. You just let the automation run in the background and do the work for you, winning back your time for good. And when you conquer those tasks, the value you unlock is just incredible. I mean, first, obviously, your workload is immediately reduced. That directly leads to boosted efficiency across your entire life, personal and professional. But here's the kicker, the one you might not expect. This skill set can open up entirely new income streams. I'm serious. Once you master building these systems for yourself, you suddenly have a hugely valuable in-demand skill. Businesses everywhere are desperate to hire people who can build these kinds of automated workflows. You could literally become a consultant and create a significant new source of income just by connecting the dots for other people. So let's just pull back for a second and look at the big picture. This is about a fundamental shift in your entire mindset. Your future isn't about grinding through more hours. It's about designing intelligent systems that do the work for you. It's the ultimate way of working smarter. And this is the message you should walk away with. This power is not locked away behind complex code. It's accessible to you right now. All you have to do is learn how to click, how to connect your tools, and you will absolutely conquer your digital world.
So, with these tools and this new mindset, the possibilities are, they're pretty much endless. Just think about it for a second. What's the most annoying, repetitive task in your life right now? What if you could just automate it and make it disappear by tomorrow? The only question left really is, what will you build first?